So if I'm okay with that, you can review the course and see how you change the settings, how you edit the course section. Remember, I have not yet started adding the learning material, but I'm making structure, I'm making the flows, how I want the course to go. I want to start with first of all is the introduction to anatomy and physiology, which introduce the course and so on, and as well as the learning objective. Then the unit 1, organization of human body, is going to discuss anatomical position and plan and so on. So now if I am okay with this, let's assume I am okay at this level, so I want to log out of my course to continue later. You can simply go ahead and log out. So the next time you log in, you will not see the tone editing on. So the next time you come back, you will see something like this. You will see something like this. Therefore, you still have to go down and turn your editing on to start working on your course, or to start working on the course section. Go ahead and turn your editing on. So now I want to leave the introduction open, unit 1. For instance, if I want to make it visible, or I want to hide it, I can hide unit 1, this very unit 1 I am working on, because introduction is like preambles, while the introduction up here is like the preamble to the course, while unit 1 is where I am going to start putting my lecture note and content for my student. So if I don't want them to see anything at this level, I can go ahead and hide. I can set hide topic. Edit topic, we are familiar with that. This will take us back to this section where we can edit. I can edit. So if I decide to change this, I don't want this full stop, because this dot is something that Moodle doesn't recognize. That's why you cannot see it clearly. So let me remove that. So let me remove that. Okay, let me remove that. Okay. Yes, I'm removing another one. Let's see. Organs. Okay, sorry. So if I can go ahead and put it here from the Moodle, if I want to list it as in order list 1 2 3, I can put the clearly bulletin, then I can save. So can you see this bulletin are more clearer than the previous one, because the previous one was copy and paste. So Moodle doesn't recognize that bulletin, but you can put the bulletin here from the Moodle. This is how you can now do that. So the next thing to look at is highlight. If you want to highlight some certain area, if you want to highlight just like using a highlighter, I can highlight. This one means we are discussing this topic, or if we are discussing this topic today, then I can leave it okay like this. Take the highlight up by clicking outside. So now the next thing is to, now let me remove the highlight, otherwise it will be saved. So the next thing to look at is the hide. If I want to hide this topic completely, I can hide. Then if I click on hide, my student, even if they are enrolled into the course, they will not see the course until I unhide. They can see the course, but they cannot see the unit 1. They can see introduction, which is the preambles, but they cannot see unit 1. Probably I can do that if I am working on it. I'm not yet done. Therefore, I want it to be invisible to my student. Therefore, no student will see that section. The next thing is to delete. If I want to delete, I don't want to delete because I already have something there. But I can go down. I want to delete unit 8, then I can say delete. Unit 8 is gone. I have up to unit 7 now. So this is how you can edit your course before you begin adding learning material into your course. This is how you edit the course before adding learning material into your course. Thank you very much for your time, and hope to see you in question and answer section.